Hello, it's Amanda, assistant at Fred & Sons Tree and Trash Removal. We are proud to be leaders in tree removal and junk removal services throughout Indianapolis and central Indiana. With decades of experience, our dedicated team has helped hundreds of homeowners clean up and transform their yards, turning cluttered and overgrown spaces into clean, attractive properties. Contact Fred & Sons Hauling and Tree Removal Services today and experience the transformative power of expert care. Call 317-626-5973.